Dragon, brace for capsule lift.
There they go.
We mentioned a couple of times the recovery team's familiarity with these operations and able to move a little bit quicker. They prepped the crew for about 5 minutes of capsule lift. That happened in just a couple of minutes.
And it looks like we are starting to see the capsule be lifted out of the water. We can now start to see the heat shield. Dragon now in the air, the hydraulic lift being activated and will be utilized to center Dragon on the nest there at the aft end of the vessel. I love this view because you can see the state of the heat shield. It did such incredible work during atmospheric re-entry. Dragon Endeavour now placed into the nest of our recovery vessel Megan.